Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. Seen this today. It's not mine, so don't judge me, but found it for sale. Just the guy's info. The old C-10. And she has seen better days, I tell you. One of the areas on these trucks you always want to look for is right here, this area. And as you can see, they always rust out right there. Let's check this side. Yeah, you can see she's rusted out right on where the spring mounts, spring perch, and then right there. But these trucks are kind of cool. They got like this ladder bar. I mean, even those things are rusted out. I just thought I'd post a video of it. Any of you C-10 guys out there want a project, there you go.